Dogs are definitely man's best friend, but many have the potential to leave your car a little worse for wear. Some dogs lie down and take a nap, but more often than not, our excited furry friends like to leave a backseat covered in hair or track dirty paw prints. We also have the occasional heavy slobberers and the excited can't-sit stillers. That is why we just love this dog seat cover. The standard size hammock by Meadowlark is designed to fit all cars, SUVs, and small trucks. It also comes in extra large, made to fit big SUVs and trucks. The non-slip backing with rubber mesh and seat anchors prevent the seat cover from sliding around. It's made with fully waterproof and heavy-duty material that won't absorb any bodily fluids, effectively offering full protection for both your pet and your car. The extra durable zipper side flaps protect the entire back seat, doors, and carpet. And like magic, the middle zipper transforms into a semi-hammock to safely accommodate another passenger in the back seat. It's durable, it's secure, and it's comfortable, with its double stitching and 4 layers of extra thickness. It's easy to install and adjust to find the perfect fit for your car, thanks to the adjustable straps that are secured around the headrests. Cleaning is also a breeze because this hammock is machine washable. It gets better. As an added bonus, this set comes with 2 headrest protectors and seat belts fitted with Velcro to secure your pet and backseat passengers. These car seat covers were made under strict and stringent quality inspections and only from the best materials. So if you're looking to take your canine companion on adventures in the car with you, then you're going to want to go with a name that is synonymous with quality.